Hello, my name is Dr. Jim Samuels. Today's subject is a fundamental building block of being human. Human GPS and perception. You know how people can get excited about a goal, but then seem to stall out before they achieve it? I help people understand what they need to do to fulfill their desires. Each of us has an internal guidance system. Human GPS is the guidance system within your brain. If you haven't already seen it, I have a short video that explains the way your guidance system works. It's called Human GPS 101, The Basics. You can watch it here at the website listed on the screen. Human GPS. It rapidly cycles through a three-step process. Goal, problem, solution, GPS. It does this in an effort to fulfill both your needs and desires. It looks like this. It starts with a goal, which triggers awareness of problems, which triggers a search for solutions. The solutions are what allow fulfillment of the goal. Human GPS governs not only navigation, such as walking through a room, but perception as well. This is important because we react to the world we live in based on the way we perceive it. How do you perceive? Light comes in your eyes, goes through the visual center in your brain, where it is organized into recognizable perception. This happens about 200 times every second and is done automatically and precognitively without conscious awareness. This recognition of perception is based on the organizing principle in your brain's visual center. The organizing principle is extremely adaptable and allows for many different ways of organizing your perceptions. Because the organizing principle operates precognitively, it goes unnoticed. Unnoticed, it rarely serves as an intentional resource. This organizing principle is important to understand because you can use this principle to materially alter your perception of the world around you and to your advantage. Here is the key to using the organizing principle to enhance your life. Having a goal instantly alters your perceptions so that you notice opportunities. Goal-driven perception. It amounts to this. Why you look changes what you see. This is an extremely and entirely natural experience. Intentionally introducing a goal transforms this natural ability into a valuable skill that allows you to trigger new perceptions. These new perceptions can radically improve your awareness of opportunities and your ability to live a more free, successful life. Allow me to demonstrate how goals provide your brain with an organizing principle that alters your perceptions. This is called the lesson of the egg. Let's introduce a goal and see what happens to your perception. An egg is just an egg, unless you're hungry. Then the egg is breakfast. But if you're not hungry, an egg is just an egg, unless you're a farmer. Then the egg is produce. But if you're not a farmer, an egg is just an egg. This happens very quickly, very automatically, very naturally. Let me give you one more example. An egg is just an egg, unless you're a chicken. Then the egg is family. But if you're not a chicken, an egg is just an egg, unless you have a goal. And this is because goals alter perception. Each time you shift your goal, your perception of the egg instantly changes. This is a perfectly natural occurrence because goals alter perception. I would even go so far as to say that goals determine perception. What this means is what you perceive is determined by the goal you are operating with. This understanding can be very helpful. For instance, when learning anything, think of what you are learning as how to function with a new or refined goal. You will always learn faster if you imagine yourself using the new information. Allow your goal to shift. Primarily, this means listen to your instructor to discover new perceptions. Your new perceptions will bring new clarity, and your new clarity will bring new capabilities. Your new capabilities will bring you true confidence. So, remember the lesson of the egg. Goals determine perception. Here's the rule. The clarity of your goals determines the clarity of your perceptions. If you would like help clarifying your goals, send me a note. Dr. Jim at remindyourself.com. That's Dr. Jim at remindyourself.com.